the working yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do the treble crochet, which in the UK it's called the double treble crochet. So we're going to first make a slip knot. The way I do it, I take the yarn, wrap it around my two fingers once, then twice, take the hook underneath the first loop, the first yarn, and then over the second to grab a hold of it and pull through underneath that first loop. And there goes the slip knot, and just tighten around the hook. To make the foundation chain, just wrap the yarn around once, pull through the loop that's already on the hook, and then goes your first chain. Wrap the yarn around once, pull through, wrap the yarn around once, pull through again, and there goes 3 chains. Let's make 10, 4, 5, 6, and what has helped me along the way to make sure that the chains stay the same amount size, so not too loose, not too tight. I just move my fingers up the foundation chain to grab a hold after every few stitches. So that was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there goes your foundation chain. So to make a treble crochet, we're going to skip the first 4 stitches and insert the hook into the 5th chain. This loop that's already on the hook does not count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to insert the hook in that chain but we're going to yarn over once and twice for treble crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over once and pull through. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over once, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over once, pull through the next 2 loops. Now you got 2 left, so yarn over once and pull through those last 2 loops. And there goes the treble crochet. So we're going to keep going until the end for the next chain. So yarn over once, twice, insert the hook, yarn over once, pull through the chain, 4 loops on the hook. So yarn over once, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over once, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over once, pull through the last 2 loops. Next chain, yarn over once, twice, insert the hook, yarn over once, pull through, yarn over once, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over once, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over once, pull through the last 2 loops. Almost at the end. Oops. There you go. Yarn over twice over that hook before you insert the hook into the chain. Yarn over once and then pull through. Last chain on the foundation chain. So okay. And there goes your first row of treble crochet. Turn your work to go on to the next row. We're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to skip this first stitch, and each of the stitches on the top, as you can see, makes a V shape. So here are the 2 loops that make that V shape. So we're going to skip this stitch and we're going to do the treble crochet in the next stitches across that row. So once, twice, and then insert the hook to the second stitch, and then proceed, go on to do the treble crochet. Ooh, it unraveled. Almost at the end. Did not want to split the yarn, so I'll just redo. There we go. So the 4 stitches that we skipped, we want to insert at the topmost stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, the treble crochet to finish off the row. So here goes those 2 loops. And there goes the second row of the treble crochet. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button so you'll be kept updated on all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!